Are you finding that you're having to switch your shampoo every like 2 to 3 weeks or every month or 2 months because your hair is getting used to your shampoo? That is a common misconception that we hear from a lot of people, that their hair is getting used to their shampoo, it's getting dull or it feels weighed down, when in actual fact, it's actually because your shampoo is leaving ingredients behind on your hair and scalp and it's never fully getting clean. So if you're using an anti-frizz or a thickening or a conditioning shampoo, all of these shampoos have to leave ingredients behind on the hair in order to do what they say, which is to condition or to thicken, etc. The only thing you want your shampoo to do is to clean your hair. So our shampoo is 100% clean, residue-free, no ingredients that get left behind on the hair or the scalp, most importantly. You never want to massage ingredients into your scalp that are designed to stick, because your scalp is then not able to let the new hair grow through. So if you want to never have to change your shampoo, have super healthy, glossy, shiny hair that maintains your color, you want to try Color Wow Color Security Shampoo.